Welcome to Tech24, the channel for all your tech and lifestyle needs. Today, we're taking a look at the portable prefabricated tiny home 40x20ft mobile expandable plastic prefab house. Whether you need a hotel, booth, office, guardhouse, shop, villa, warehouse, or workshop, this mobile expandable prefab house has got you covered. This versatile, convenient, and affordable living or working space is perfect for various purposes and occasions, such as a guest house, storage shed, tiny home, office, and more. It's easy to install and customize, with different sizes, colors, layouts, and accessories to choose by yourself. Made of sturdy and durable steel, this expandable prefab house is foldable and portable, with a built-in toilet, fan, faucet, and pipes. So why wait? Order yours today and enjoy the benefits of our mobile expandable prefab house. Click the link in the description to get yours now. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your living or working space. Subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and lifestyle tips. See you in the next video.